window quality rewind.
Ilabas mo
Kaya malinis dahil dyan ang coil former. Ulit kita bukas kay bagaan ako. Gawa ko ng diagram and then testing natin. We use this to know the polarity. It's according to their poles. For example, this is first pole A, B, C, A. The next of this is for example north, and this one is going, the arrow goes to south. Tomorrow we'll do magnetic test using this compass.